It's finally quiz time, and trust me, conducting quiz on an online platform like Xtudy is much more easier than the physical format. Click on the quiz icon and on the plus sign, enter the subject for which you want to conduct the quiz, set the class and the section, the date on which you want the quiz to be conducted, and the time that suits both you and your students. Click on Create Test/Quiz. After the quiz is present on the home screen, click on it to add or update questions. Enter the question of your choice, give options, or you could also upload pictures in the question. Feed the correct answer and the marks to be given for an automated correction process by the Xtudy app. Ta-da! The automated quiz for the students is now ready. It will be conducted automatically and will also be evaluated without any imperfections. Hope this video was useful for you.